wrong color. We ordered stainless steel. We noticed that it did smell like coffee, so it's definitely used. I did order new. And then down here, there's tons of rust and mold as well. So this is not only is it not new, it's very, very dirty. See that? Yeah. Interesting. Ew.
This is my third attempt to do the milk frothing after following some troubleshooting, unplugging, letting it sit for 30 minutes, now plugging it back in. So here we go, trying to do attempt number 3 with oat milk filled to just right above the minimum line, so it's right in between where it should be. And here we go. And there it goes again. This is the 4th time it's happened in 3 days, and I am done with this machine.
Mora gre creme prej naprav. Pač espresso.